beautiful people, is the one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My bonga people, today's topic na about this marriage we just happen now, my darling people. Some pastors they worried though, like some pastors they surprise me sometimes, how can a pastor wey one word people for church say because say they late come say the way them again? My darling people, where that one for the happen? This one shockalize me. Oh, this one shock me. Like seriously. How can a pastor go say he no go wed people because say they late just a minute when they say late come? Like seriously, my people, when me I see the video, the thing shockalize me. Oh, the thing shock me. Oh, I say where this kind of thing for the happen? Because say they late. Wahala dey. Oh, this one a very big wahala. The woman they cry, they say wetin he do? Like, because say the late come, that they try to beg the man they say no, say lie, say he no go wed them again. My darling people, marriage supposed to be like that. Now so marriage supposed be. If person come late for marriage, me say they not go marry again. Hey, this one a wahala opalaba for everywhere. My darling people, where that kind of thing for the happen? This one is shock me. This one shockalize me. Like seriously, this one shock me. A pastor go say he no go wed people because they use a minute till late come. Like seriously, even Oyibo sef, they go still wait for you, even though you even see late small. Talking of say Nigeria again, no. My people, the lady they cry. Like, me never hear this one before. Say pastor no wed person because what about the money where they use? What about everything, the wedding gown, everything? Okay, everything will just go like that. My people, I bet una go help me shook mouth for this one. Say, where this kind of thing for the happen? Say pastor no wed people because they're late. They use a minute till late come. Where that kind thing for the apple for Africa? They don't change law now. Our African people now today there's to they use Africa time. Now today, where pastor will come say no go marry again. Why you not fair talk say at the beginning? If I just tell they say don't go marry, you not go wed them. Okay, what about if hold up come day road? Hold up day. Before you can reach there, you must lay small. That one come make pastor vex. Now this one, the same one that they control now all temper. Oh. Now this thing make them say the other pastor will go the same threat voice record they give person say because he need a person will get all temper. How can a pastor not go fit control your temper? A pastor, you can't control your temper? Like seriously, my darling people. This one at Malaba, oh, wahala, they everywhere, oh, my people, oh. This one shocked me. Like, what it make me shook mouth of this one be say, now wedding, pastor say he no go wed people because the late come small. My ogbonge people, oh, this one where Agbada, where Sokoto. This one shockalize me, oh. I never see where this kind of thing for the apple, no, my darling people. Say pastor go say no go wed people because the late small. I not see where that kind of thing for the apple, no. Now say make I come share and give my people. Mona help me advise this pastor. Say wetin go make am. I will put the video. Mona watch. Mona help me advise this man. Why him go do this kind of thing to this woman, to this couple? The woman they cry. The woman they cry. Say wetin him do this pastor? If he offend you, why you not first tell them at the beginning? Say you not go wed them. Why you can't let them go buy where they can buy everything? The next thing you say you not go feel wed them again. Now so my people, wahala full everywhere, lo. Wahala for everywhere. Wahala. my darling people. Now the matter where they grand oh, na be this one. I say, Mona help me shook part for this one. Say, what did this pastor do? So na good thing. Na good thing, my people. Na good thing. Where pastor go say no go wed people. My darling people, this one shocked me. Oh. This one shocked me. This one shocked me. He surprised me. Say pastor go say no go wed. You no go wed people because of waiting. Because they're late. You know the kind problem where you want to put these people. If you just tell them at the beginning, say you not go wed them. Then say they will come finish. You can't say no. Say you not go wed. No. This pastor you too do sha. You too do really. And the truth not say me will not talk. This pastor your own day your body. Your own day your body yakbata my people. Nothing where Musa not go see forget oh. Things they happen for that Africa. Sha? Things they really happen. My darling people, now the matter where they grand do. Now I be this one. I say, make I come share and give my people. Make they say yeah the latest again. No pastor say he no go wed people because they late small combo. I say no go wed them. My darling people, they say who never see something go say he see. Who see no go see math. Who see no go see math they talk. Now be this one. So my people, oh, now say make I come tell you now. So I will put the video for you people to watch. Then when go help me give you our contribution whether what this pastor do na good thing or na bad thing. Bye.
Or because he's assistant Holy Spirit or something. God help us. Madam, go to your head before you talk to anybody here. The pastor should do reform now. It's very, very simple. So this is the scene, oh. This is the scene. That is the groom. That's the groom. I'm trying to get a shot of the groom because the couple came 3 minutes late. This is the member of the church that wanted to fight us. This is the member of the church that wanted to fight us. This man is trying to hold me so that I won't do video. He's a member of the church. Those are the members of the church that were trying to fight us. Nobody can fight us here because this is my fellow photographer. This is a photographer, Samuel Ifeanyi. He's the one that wanted to fight. He's the one that wanted to fight. That's the church member. He's the one that's stepping into the church right now. This is the bride. She's in tears. She's in tears. She's in tears because of what this pastor has done. Can you imagine what's happening? He's now begging the bride after doing what he did just now. Man, I'm going to remove a hair that you put on your head since 2016 before you talk to me. Remove that hair that has been on your head for 4 years. Shift. Get out of my face. I can't even look at you. You want me to cry? What's that? Eh? Are you talking to me? You're talking to me. You ain't buying me phone. Right, the video there on. That's not face show. Face show down. Go do that man face, make me show. Mommy, say it again.
You don't chop in white.
Good.
You don't chop in white, you don't feel pastor.
All of that. Good. In the name of religion. This is a fraud. This is a fraud to the church. Right. What's that? Eh? Are you talking to me? You're talking to me. You ain't buying me phone. Right, the video there on. That's not face show. Face show down. Go do that man face, make me show. Mommy, say it again.
You don't chop in white.
Good.
You don't chop in white, you don't feel pastor.
All of that. Good. In the name of religion. This is a fraud. This is a fraud to the church. This thing not funny.
This place is gone forever.
I'll take another shot of the pastor. What the situation is that the couple came 3 minutes late, and then the pastor decided to keep us here for almost 1 hour. After keeping us for 1 hour, he said they will not get married between the, they said they will not get married inside the church building, that they will get married in his office, because he is Assistant Holy Spirit. He's the Assistant Holy Spirit, and he can decide wherever the altar should be. That's the couple. They are leaving the church premises now. This church, this is fulfilling World Foundation in Abloma, Port Harcourt, River State. You can see the scene. Can I say anything more? Okay, the video continues. The video continues. One of the church members just tried to harass the sister of the groom. What am I doing? I shouldn't video. Now you buy me phone. You get this kind of phone? Record you very well.
The Son,